Hi, welcome back to NPA teaching. We will often need to find the equation of a straight line given certain information. For example, what is the equation of the line passes through any given points? In order to answer this question, the formula for finding the line through 2 points is called the point slope formula. The expression that is used to determine the linear function that pass through a point, for example, it is x1, y1 is the point with the slope of m. Then this equation is y minus y1, which is equal to m into x minus x1. So here m is the slope. So it is important to recognize that this is the definition of the slope of y is equal to function of x, where y is the dependent variable. For any 2 points on the plane, for example, it is x1, y1 and second point is x2, y2, then the slope of y is found by evaluating, that is m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, which is nothing but it is delta y by delta x, which is change in y divided by change in x. So the equation of the straight line, by substituting the value of m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, then it will become y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. For example, in a given question, if the slope is given, you can directly substitute its value in the formula of y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So here you can directly substitute the value of slope. Sometime the slope is not given. Then you need to find the value of slope by using the equation of y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 and substitute on this equation, that is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Consider an example. The slope of the line which is passes through the points on 2, minus 3 and 5, 18. Then we want to find out the equation. So here the first step is to find out the slope of given 2 points, that is the slope is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. And the 2 points are 2, minus 3 and 5, 18. So by considering the value of x1, x2, y1, y2, then the value of slope is the 18 minus 3 divided by 5 minus 2. So 18 minus 3 is equal to 21, 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So 21 divided by 3 is equal to 7. Now the second step is that consider the first point, that is 2 minus 3, which is the value for the x1 and y2. Then substitute this value of x1 and y1 and also the value of slope on the given formula for finding the equation, which is equal to y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus value of y1 is equal to minus 3 is equal to the slope which is already calculated, which is 7, into x minus value of x1, which is equal to 2. So y minus 3, which is equal to y plus 3 is equal to 7 into x, which is 7x minus 7 into 2, which is equal to 14. So by considering plus 3 to the right hand side of the equation, it will become minus 3. So y is equal to 7x minus 14 minus 3. So it is equal to y is 7x minus 17. Now consider the another case. For example, write the equation of a line with the slope is minus 3 by 4 and the y-intercept is also given, that is 0, minus 3. So from this given example, we can understand that the slope m is given, that is minus 3 by 4, and b, that is intercept term, that is also given, which is equal to minus 3. So if this is the case, then directly you can substitute the linear function, that is linear function is equal to y is equal to mx plus b. So here m is already given and also the value of y-intercept b is also given. So by substituting these values, the equation will become y is equal to minus 3 by 4 x, then plus b, that is here b is equal to minus 3. So y is equal to minus 3 by 4 x minus 3. Consider one more example, that is write the equation of the straight line where the slope is given, that is 2 by 3, and which make a negative intercept of 4 unit on y-axis. So the question is clear, and here the given values are, the slope is given, that is m is equal to 2 by 3, and the y-intercept is the negative 4 unit, that is minus 4. So of course the slope and the intercept term is given, then the linear function which is equal to y is equal to mx plus b, then directly substitute the value of m is equal to 2 by 3 and b is equal to minus 4, then it will become y is equal to 2 by 3 x minus 4. By rewriting this equation, then it will become 3y is equal to 2x minus 12. Then you can rewrite it is as 2x minus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0, or again you can rewrite it is 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. Consider an example of an application, that is, here we want to find the equation given the following information, that a promoter discovered that the demand for theater ticket is 1200 when the price is rupees 60. But it decreases to 900 when the price is raised to 75. Then here we want to construct the equation for the same. So the solution here, we can find the form of an equation which is equal to Q is equal to MP plus B, which indicates P is the price, or which is the independent variable, and the quantity Q is equal to dependent variable, just like Y is equal to, so here it is Q. Q is the dependent variable. And M is the, what we can say that it is the slope. So slope is directly, it is not given here. So the problem allow us to deduce 2 points of the demand line. Here from the question we can find the 2 points are, that is rupees 60, then the demand is 1200. When the price is increased to 75, then demand is decreased to 900. So this is the 2 points, that is 60, 1200, and the second point is 75, 900. So the first step is we want to identify the slope, then we want to find out the intercept. So the slope is equal to, that is m is equal to, which is change in q divided by change in p. So change in q is equal to q2 minus q1, and change in p is equal to p2 minus p1. So which is the q2 minus q1 is equal to 900 minus 1200 divided by p2 minus p1, which is equal to 75 minus 60. So 900 minus 1200 is equal to minus 300 divided by 75 minus 60, which is 15. So minus 300 divided by 15, which is equal to minus 20. So the equation must therefore take in the form of the following, that is q is equal to minus 20p plus b. So the given equation, that is q is equal to minus 20p plus b. B is not calculated here, that is y-intercept term we want to find out. So it is necessary to find the y-intercept using the one of the 2 points, for example taking the first point. So which is the 60 and 1200 is the point on the demand curve. So it must satisfy the following equation, that is q is equal to minus 20p plus b. So substitute the point, that is p is equal to 60 and q is equal to 1200 on the equation. Then it will become 1200 is equal to minus 20 into 60 plus b. So 1200 is equal to minus 20 into 60, which is also equal to minus 1200 plus b. So taking the 1200 into the left hand side of the equation, then it will become 1200 plus 1200, which is equal to b, which is equal to 2400. So as we received the value of slope, which is equal to minus 20, and at the same time the y-intercept, that is term b, is equal to 2400, then the equation of the demand line, which is q is equal to minus 20p plus 2400. So here it is interesting note that once this line is found, or this equation is found, we can evaluate the demand is whatever the price is. You just substitute the value of price on this equation, you will get the demand. I hope you are clear about how to find the equation of a straight line from the coordinates of 2 points, or the intercept term and the slope is given. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Thank you.